Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the opening ceremony of the new school year 2021-2022. I'm so delighted to see all of you here healthy and safe, especially these days. Ho Chi Minh City has just gone through 3 months of lockdown, and it may be extended for quite a while. I'm sure that you and your families have been confronting some anxiety and also a lot of challenges to try to keep your life as normal as possible while maintaining your physical and mental health in this particularly hard time. It is therefore that I highly appreciate the readiness and the responsibility you have taken for each of your classes and for your learning throughout these past 2 weeks. I'm sure that you feel the happiness, the positive energy from seeing back your teachers and friends and being able to unlock new knowledge with them, having stirred you up and us and all hope for better days and a brighter future. I hope the pandemic will soon be under control with broad vaccine access and strong herd immunity. I hope, like I'm sure you do, that life will return to normal soon, when you can go to school, reunite with your loved ones, enjoy your favorite food and travel and the places you love so much. I also hope that all your plans for the future, your passions, your aspirations that you've recognized and have pursued will continue to come through and will soon come through in more freedom. At a time, however, when we're weak, when we're stuck, confused, wisdom and resilience and hope become our lifelines and the forces that move us forward. If there is a will, there is a way. However, hope is not built on daydreams, but from a strong foundation of initiative and perseverance. To do this in this current periods, we all need to look back into ourselves, into yourself, to focus on your inner strengths, competencies and personal qualities, the immutable value that creates one's own identity and are the guide for each person's perception and action, in which enhancing the ability to be independent, adaptable and responsible towards family, relatives, community or towards new goals in learning and life are typical examples. This is also the theme of this new year. Renovation based on true values. Renovation here means renewing and developing oneself. The family, organization, community based on sustainable values, which do not change in every circumstance and every time. Like a forest that has just experienced a natural disaster, if every seed and every sapling has the motivation to rise up, sprout and head for the sun, soon we will have again a cluster of trees, an ancient wood, and then revive an entire forest. That is how we can all also renovate our life after the pandemic, building strong communities based on the core elements which consists of each individual, each unit and each family. From a closer perspective, a part of VAS's sustainable developing future lies in the effort of each teacher, each staff member, each parent and you, each student in the coming time, however difficult it is. Therefore, my dear students, from now on, set your goals in study or in life, whether they are big or whether they're small, whether they're short term or whether they're long term, to persistently pursue them and nurture your own dreams. One day you'll realize how much willpower and perseverance has led you to break the limits and grow up strongly. Lastly, however, I would like to wish you and your family good health and peace. and we look forward to welcoming you back in person to the school when we are out of lockdown. I hope you have a great new school year and see you soon. Thank you.